Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to use our natural goat's milk multi-base lotion. This lotion can be taken from anywhere to a heavy cream all the way down to a body spray. So let's whip it up. Okay. So I have our goat's milk multi-base. This is a natural base, and you can add a little bit of water or a lot of water. So it can be used as a cream, or it can be used as a body mist, or anything in between. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how to use this. So first we're just going to put the multi-base into our little mixing bowl. And really it's just a matter of adding water. So you can add 16 ounces of water to make a heavy cream, or 128 ounces of water to make a body mist. A lotion will 48 ounces. Regardless, I will put the instructions in the description, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what consistency you can get with the base. So first I'm adding 16 ounces of water. As you can see, this is a thicker cream consistency. Now we will make a lighter cream consistency just by adding a little bit more water. And now we have a light cream. And now we have a lotion consistency. The light lotion. Okay, so finally we're going to turn it into a body mist. So I will need a bigger bowl. Okay, as you can see, this is pretty fluid now. There's a little bit of air in there, but now you have a body mist. So now let's talk fragrance. So with this base, whether it be fragrance or it be additional oils, it will emulsify 1 to 3% of additional oily type components. So if you want to add additional oil, you can. If you want to add fragrance oil, essential oil, you can. Just make sure you don't go over that 3%. But other than that, all you have to do is package it up and you are all set. All right, so make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you later.